Hello guys, welcome back to part 3 of how to succeed in affiliate marketing using secret tracking tool. Now, in this part 3 of this training tutorial series, I'm going to explain more about technical aspects of this Opt-in Dojo tool and how to set up with Leadpages and also with your affiliate marketplace called Warrior Plus. So please watch the video till the end so that you follow every step of this process. Now, if you've not got Opt-in Dojo tool, then you can always check the link in the description box below to get your Opt-in Dojo. And there is an interesting offer for those people who are buying through my affiliate link. Now, if you buy through my affiliate link for the Opt-in Dojo tool, then I'm going to hop on for a one-on-one Zoom session, which is going to be 100% free with you so that I can help you set up the entire technical aspects and the integrations. So now let's get straight to the Opt-in Dojo tool to do the technical setup. So this is the Opt-in Dojo dashboard, and over here what you need to do is first go to the traffic sources. So I'm just going to click on add a new traffic source, and over here you have to enter the traffic source name. This is going to be the solo ad vendor's name. So for this case, I'm just going to enter something like test and the date, and click on the save traffic source. So once done, you can just go and click on the close button. And next, what you need to do is go and build a funnel. Now click on the funnels button over here and go and click on add a new funnel. Now just I'm going to enter this as test and today's date. And this is going to be the funnel name which you're going to use in the tracking link. Now under opt-in pages, you need to enter the squeeze page URL. Now this squeeze page or the opt-in page which you have built using Leadpages, you need to enter the URL over here. Now just go to your Leadpages. Now this is the Leadpages account, and over here I've already built so many landing pages, so I'm just going to click any one of this. Now this is the landing page which I already built. So what you need to, so just go over here and click on this drop down button over here and click on the publish options and just copy this link and go back to your Opt-in Dojo and paste the link over here. And this is going to be something like squeeze page 1. So after that, you can set the speed as default 5. Under default rotator, you can test between two different opt-in pages. Just click on add link and add another opt-in page, squeeze page, to test which one converts better. So after you do that, you can just go down over here and click on the save funnel. And the next step is to add your affiliate or your own offers. Now over here, you just need to, under the default rotator, add link. Now this is going to be the default destination, and you have to go to your Warrior Plus account. Now I'm in the Warrior Plus account, and over here you can choose any of the offers that you want to promote. And in this case, I'm just going to promote Auto Affiliate AI. Click on get link, and over here just copy this link, affiliate link, and go back to your Opt-in Dojo and just paste over here and type in the name of the offer. So the name of the offer is Auto Affiliate AI. Just copy it and paste over here. And after that, just go and click on save funnel. So that's how you link the Leadpages and also the Warrior Plus account. So the next step is just go above over here under the funnel setup. You can see the HTML script and the new lead redirect script. So you have to copy this HTML script and paste it in your funnel builder, which is the Leadpages. Now just copy this HTML script and go back to your Leadpages. And over here, you can just go to the settings button and click on analytics and just go over here and just paste over here head section tracking code. Copy and paste over here. So once done, just click on save and then close it. So after entering the head section tracking code, then you can go back to your funnel setup under Opt-in Dojo, then click on copy this new lead redirect. Now this is the place where it will be redirected to once they are opted in. So just copy this link and go back to your Leadpages, and under this form button, just click on this button once, and over here you can see the actions and under the actions, under the external URL, you just need to paste this link. So after doing that, click on save and close and just close. After that, you always need to click on the update button. So please don't forget to click on the update button whenever you're doing some changes. Now, after doing this step, just click on save funnel and close this. Now, the final step is you need to create the tracking link. Now, just go and click on the tracking links, and over here, click on add a new tracking link, and over here, choose the funnel first. So we have created the test funnel for this purpose and the traffic source. Now, the traffic source, this is the traffic source that we have created. Now, this is going to be different solo ad vendors. For each solo ad vendor, you have to create a separate traffic source. This is going to be a solo ad. They just enter the number of clicks you're going to purchase. I'm going to say it as 1,000 clicks, and the cost is going to be around $900. So, and after that, click on the save tracking link. So once you save the tracking link, you will get this, what is called as your tracking link. Now, this is the tracking link that you need to provide to the solo ad vendor. With help of this tracking link, you can track the front-end sales and also the back-end sales and also the responsiveness of your leads, and also if anyone purchases from this solo ad vendor, and especially this tracking link. Now, after entering your affiliate link, there is an important part that needs to be entered, which is called track conversions. Now, under track conversions, you can go and select the affiliate network. Now, this is going to be Warrior Plus, since this is a Warrior Plus offer. So just scroll down, and over here you can see Warrior Plus. Just click on this Warrior Plus, and this is the webhook IPN URL that you need to copy and paste it in Warrior Plus. Nice. So copy it and go to Warrior Plus, and over here you can just go and paste it. After that, you can click on the save button. Now, this is needed if you want to get any notification from Warrior Plus once you have made an affiliate sale. Now, this explains the entire process of how to do the technical setup in your opt-in dojo, especially with Leadpages and also your affiliate marketplace, which is Warrior Plus. Now, in the next training video, I'm going to show more of how to do the integration with email autoresponders like Aweber or Getresponse, of how to insert this opt-in dojo tracking pixel into your email automations and email broadcast. So if you are someone who is serious about building an online business and want to really live the life of your dreams and want to enjoy the laptop lifestyle, then I would seriously recommend you to check out my top recommended mentorship program in the description box below, where the mentor Ben from Singapore is going to help you build an online business. Now, when you click on the link in the description box below, you will reach this page called Welcome to Passive Income Profits. And he has 3 different levels of mentorship program, which is Beginners Club, Start Club, and Inner Circle. The Beginners Club, which costs you $97 one time, is going to be more of like 100 training videos where you can watch yourself and you can try it on your own. And you get a Facebook group access, and where the mentor will answer your questions in less than 24 hours. Now, if you are somewhat advanced and intermediate marketer who want to scale your email marketing or affiliate marketing business, then you need to go for what is called a Start Club. This is $299.7 one time, and you get everything in the Beginners Club. Plus, you get 8 times weekly one-on-one Zoom session with the mentor Ben himself. And each session will last a minimum of 60 minutes. And if you have more questions, then he's happy to help with you. And in this, you also get Facebook Messenger access, where you can directly message him and he will answer your questions in less than 12 hours. The final one, which is called the Inner Circle, this is $6,997 one time. This program has a success rate of around 82%, and this includes everything in the Beginners Club and Start Club, and also one of the most important irresistible offers. The mentor will work directly with you until you achieve a minimum of $5,000 USD in profit for consecutively 3 months. And this is an offer that no other marketer on the planet is going to give you. And here you also have once a week one-on-one Zoom session, and this is going to be minimum of 60 minutes, and he will help you with all the setups and building your affiliate marketing business online. And also you have support every day, and you have the Facebook direct message access, where he will answer your questions in less than 6 hours. And This is going to really help you whenever you face a problem, and not like other courses where you buy the course and there is no customer support. And this is a coaching, guys. This is a mentorship program where it's more of like a interaction on a daily basis, so that you build your online business with a strong foundation. But before enrolling into this Start Club or Inner Circle, please always book a complimentary Zoom session before you enroll into this program, either it is Start Club or Inner Circle, because the mentor needs to know your aspirations, your goals, and your budget, or your never give up attitude, and your daily work commitment that you can put in to build your online business. Because if you don't have the budget, then the mentor can't help you really. So always book a free Zoom session, share your thoughts across with the mentor, and if you're really a good fit, then you can enroll into this Inner Circle program. So if you're really serious about building an online business, then please check this mentorship program. And it's not going to push you or force you to enroll into this Inner Circle or Start Club program. And I would honestly suggest you to please don't procrastinate on this and try to enroll into this program as soon as possible. With that being said, let's meet in the next part of the training tutorial series. Until then, bye.